Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, now to refresh our mind, let us do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the fundamental concept of the three-dimensional coordinate geometry. Some related problems. Okay, the concepts are, that is, distance formula, division formula, direction cosine, direction ratio, angle between two lines, and what projection formula. Now today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is the plane. It is the first class of the topic plane. So let us discuss what is plane. Actually, plane is a regular surface. Plane is a regular surface. In mathematical language, it is the surface if we join any 2 points on it, the line segment completely lies on the surface, then that surface is called the plane. Clear? Now, definition of the plane. Definition: the surface, it is the surface, it is the surface, or we can say regular surface. It is the surface if we join any 2 points, on it, then the line segment is complete, the line segment lies completely or entirely on it, completely, or we can say entirely on the surface, or we can say it is the locus that joining any 2 points satisfy that locus is called surface, that surface is called plane. Now, equation of plane, there are two types of equation of planes, two forms of the equation of plane. Number one is vector form, number two is Cartesian form. What is vector form? What is Cartesian form? The equation contains vectors is called vector form, and the equation contains the common general point x, y, z is called Cartesian system or Cartesian equation of the plane. Now, Cartesian equation of plane in single point form. Okay, Cartesian that is equation of plane, one point form. equation of plane in one point form, 1 point and DRS of normal. Equation of plane in 1 point and DRS of normal form. Equation of plane in 1 point. This is Cartesian equation. Number one is what? First one is Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation of plane. Cartesian equation of plane. That is equation of plane in 1 point and DRS of normal form. DRS of normal. Let's, that is equation of plane passing through a point x naught, y naught, z naught and DRS of normal are A, B, C is given by A into x minus x naught plus B into y minus y naught plus C into z minus z naught is equal to 0. This is single point 1 point form of the equation of plane. This is in case, this is for direction ratio. In case of DCS, the equation of the plane, equation of the plane is L into x minus x naught plus m into y minus y naught plus n into z minus z naught is equal to 0. So this is in case of direction cosines. Now one example related to the Cartesian equation of plane passing through the point and perpendicular to the line. Okay. Now find equation of plane passing through the points. So this is what? Equation of plane passing through the points. Write down question. Equation of plane passing through the points. Equation of plane passing through the points 3, 4, minus 1 and DRS of the normal. DRS of the normal is what? 2, 1, 3. This is the example. So equation of solution is given points 3, 4, minus 1 and DRS of normal is 2, 1, 3. This is what? x naught, y naught, z naught, and this is a, b, c. Now equation of plane is a minus x naught plus b, a into x minus x naught plus b into y minus y naught plus c into z minus z naught is equal to 0. So what is a here? That is 2 into x minus 3 and plus 1 into y minus 4, and c means what? 3 into z plus 1 is equal to 0. And simplify this, 2x minus 6 y minus 4 3z plus 3 is equal to 0. That implies 2x plus y plus 3z, and this is what? This is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of plane. And how the equation is obtained? Proof of the formula, equation of plane. Proof of the equation of plane. Proof. Proof. Equation of plane passing through the points x naught, y naught, z naught, and DRS of normals are A, B, C. So this is suppose a plane, a regular surface, and this is the point which is x0, x naught, y naught, z naught, and take general point P, any point P, x, y, z, then this is what? AP. Now normal is what? Normal is like this. Every line on the plane is perpendicular to the normal. Every line on the plane is perpendicular to the normal. Suppose this is plane. So there are lines. So these lines are perpendicular to. These lines are perpendicular to. These lines are perpendicular to the. This is normal. Okay, so the lines are each and every lines on the plane are perpendicular to its normal. So given point, that is proof. Equation of plane passing through the point x naught, y naught, z naught, and DRS of the normal are ABC is given by what? A into x minus x naught plus b into y minus y naught plus c into z minus z naught. This is formula. Now to prove the formula, given points. Proof. Given point, suppose A of x naught, y naught, z naught, and DRS of normal are A, B, C. Let P of x, y, z be the arbitrary points, be any point, or you can say any point or arbitrary points, any points on the plane. Now the line segment AB is perpendicular. This is DRS what? This is normal. So DRS of normal is what? ABC. DRS of normal is what? ABC. Here the line segment AP is perpendicular to the normal. So DRS of AP is what? Now DRS of AP, that is x minus x naught, y minus y naught, z minus z naught, and DRS of what? DRS of normal. Normal is equal to what? A, B and C. Now apply condition for perpendicular. Now apply condition for perpendicular. Now apply condition for perpendicular. That is what? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 or A2 A1 reverse may be correct because multiplication is commutative. So A into what? A into x minus x naught plus B into y minus y naught, C into z minus z naught is equal to 0. This is the equation of plane passing through a point and DRS of normal are given. Now this is Cartesian equation. Now vector equation of plane. Now vector equation of plane. Vector equation of plane. This is the concept and proof of the Cartesian equation of plane passing through single point and having DRS of the normal are ABC. Now second one is vector equation of plane. Vector equation of plane. Vector equation of plane. Let's the plane passing through a point whose position vector is a vector and perpendicular to another vector that is n vector. Okay, that is n vector. So suppose this is the plane, and here point A whose position vector is equal to A, and here the points A and normal is here. This is normal n vector, and this is any point. Suppose for any point in vector that is denoted by R vector. This is the point of reference origin. The point of reference, that is origin. This is what? This is A vector, and this is what? And this is R vector. Now this is line segment. This is line segment. Okay. So let's let the plane passing through the point whose position vector is Z and perpendicular to the vector n vector is given by what? Is given by the formula is what? R minus A vector dot n is equal to 0, or we can say R vector dot n vector minus A dot n is equal to 0, or this is R dot n vector is equal to A dot n, that is suppose D, where this is scalar because, or we can write here that is A vector dot n vector. since it is scalar quantity, it is scalar, so let it be d. So r dot n is equal to d. This is the vector equation of the plane passing through a single point and perpendicular to the another vector. Now how it is obtained? How is obtained? Like this is the figure. From side figure, let position vector PV of given point A is equal to A vector. That is what? That is OP is equal to A vector. Let PB any points on the plane whose position vector. Let P be any point on the plane whose position vector PBS position vector. PB means what? Position vector is R vector. Okay, that is OP vector is equal to R vector. Now AP. Now AP vector is equal to what? R minus A vector. Clearly, every line on the plane, is perpendicular to the normal. So apply condition for perpendicular. Apply condition for perpendicular. Apply condition for perpendicular. That is what? That implies AP vector dot R vector is equal to 0. What is? Sorry, AP vector dot what? N vector. This is not R. Normal is N here. So AP vector dot N is equal to 0. So what is AP vector? Position vector of P minus position vector of A. So this is R vector minus A vector dot N is equal to 0. Now we can find this. This is equal to R dot N minus A dot N is equal to 0, or we can say R dot N is equal to A dot N. So R vector dot N is equal to what? R dot N is equal to D, where D is equal to A dot N. This is a scalar quantity. This is a scalar quantity. Now one question related to this concept. Find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane passing through a point whose position vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap and perpendicular to the vector 4i plus 5j plus k cap. This is question. Here solution, given point on the plane, that is a vector is equal to what? A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. 2i cap plus 3j cap, and the perpendicular means what? Normal. N vector is equal to what? 4i plus 5j plus k. Now by definition of equation of plane, we know equation of plane is r dot n is equal to a dot n. Now what is r? R means what? As remains as it. So r vector, and what is normal? That is 4i plus 5j plus k cap. R dot n, this is vector r, and this is what? N is equal to a dot n, is equal to a dot, this is a and this is n. Find its dot product. 2 into 4, this is 4, 8, 3 into 5, 15, minus what? 1. So this is equal to 26. This is equal to what? 22. This is equal to 22. So this is the this is equal to 22. Write the equation here. So r dot 4i cap plus 5j cap plus k cap is equal to what? Is equal to 12. This is the vector equation of plane. Vector equation of plane. Now how to convert the Cartesian form to normal form, vector form, and vector form to Cartesian form. Write one question. Write the vector equation of the plane if it passes through the points minus 1, 3, 5 and direction ratio of the normal, BRS of the normal are 2, 4 and 1. Write the vector equation of the plane. It passes through the point minus 1, 3, 5 and DRS of the normal are 2, 4, 1. Now this is the here the point is always here. Here that is solution. Given points on the line. Given point on the line, that is a of what? Minus 1, 3, 5. So this is what? A vector. This is what? Vector A. That is vector A is equal to minus I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. And DRS of normal DRS of the normal are 2, 4, 1. That implies the perpendicular vector, that implies the normal vector or perpendicular, the perpendicular vector, is, that is 2i cap plus 4j cap plus k cap. This is what? N vector. This is n vector. N vector is equal to what? N vector equal to 2i plus 4j plus k. Now we know vector equation of plane. Vector equation of the plane. Vector equation of the plane is r dot n vector is equal to a dot n vector. So r means what? R vector here, and a n vector means what? This is n vector dot n vector 2y cap plus 4j cap plus what? K cap. K cap is equal to a dot n. This is a, this is a, and this is n. So a dot n, that is minus 2 plus 12. This is what? 5. Minus 2 plus 12, 5. That implies r dot 2y cap plus 4j cap plus k cap is equal to, that is 17 minus 2, 15. This is the vector equation of the plane. Or another hand we can do, we can solve like this. Find the equation, or second method, find the equation of the plane in Cartesian form. Cartesian equation is what? Cartesian equation of plane is, A means what? Direction ratio 2 into x plus 1 plus B means what? 4 into what? Y minus 3 plus 1 into z minus 5 is equal to 0, and multiply this 2x plus 4y plus z, and this is 2 and this is minus 12 and this is what? Minus 5. So this is minus 15 is equal to 0, or this is equal to what? 2x plus 4y plus z is equal to 15. This is Cartesian equation. Okay, this is Cartesian equation. Now how to convert shortly, that is Cartesian form to vector form. Simply remove x, y, z, write r vector. Listen, remove x, y, z, write r vector dot and insert I cap, j cap, k cap, that is r dot 2, this is I cap, and this is 4 j cap, and this is what? K cap is equal to 15. Same answer. It is very easy. Find the Cartesian equation and take the constant term to right side, then put r dot remove xyz and insert I j k I cap, j cap, k cap. This is the technique to write, to solve shortly. Now another form of the equation of plane. General equation of plane. General equation of plane. General equation of plane. Number 1, first bit, Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Cartesian form. That is, every first order, first degree equation, every first degree means 1, maximum degree 1, every first degree equation of x, y, z represents the equation of plane. Equation of plane. Every first degree equation represents the equation of every first degree equation of x, y, z represents the equation of plane, which is called general form. That is, the equation in the form of ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 condition provided a square plus b square plus c square not equal to 0. What is this meaning? What is its meaning? Its meaning is a, b, c not simultaneously 0. Not simultaneously 0. So, and a, b, c are the direction ratios DRS of normal to the plane. Normal to the plane. Very, very important. The x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficients are called direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Now, how? The equation ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 represent the equation of plane. Let's discuss and let's explain how is it the equation of plane. Clear? Let ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 be the equation of plane. Be the equation of plane. Let x naught, y naught, z naught be a point on that plane. So this is equation 1. Since the point lies on the plane, so it satisfies the equation of plane. That implies what? A into what? A into x0 plus b into y0 plus c into z0 plus d equal to 0. That implies what? That implies d is equal to what? That implies d is equal to minus of ax naught plus by naught plus c z naught. Now this is equation 2. Suppose this is equation 2. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtract equation 2 from 1. So a common here. A into x minus x naught plus b into y minus y naught plus c into z minus z naught is equal to what? 0. Is equal to 0. So that implies what? That implies ax plus by plus ez minus this is equal to 0. This is one method, or we can say put value of d in equation 1. Put value of d in equation 1. So this is what? Ax plus by plus cz. D means what? Minus of ax0 by0 plus cz0 is equal to 0. Now here a common here. So x minus x naught, b common here. So b minus b into y minus y naught, c common, c into what? Z minus z0, which is equation is equal to 0, which is the equation of plane. So this indicates the equation of plane. Therefore, hence proved the equation ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 represents the equation of plane. This is Cartesian form of the equation of plane. Now vector form, general form of this is Cartesian general form 1, that is Cartesian form, and general equation of plane, that is Cartesian form. Now let's discuss about vector form. Now vector form, general equation of plane in vector form. Suppose this is plane and this is a point A here, whose position vector is A, and this is origin, this vector is A, and any vector, suppose here any point r vector here, and this is what? Normal, this will be 9 degree, n vector. Okay, let's same concept here, that is what? In vector form, that is a dot n is equal to r dot n is equal to d. This is vector form of the general form of vector equation of the plane in normal form. Sorry, this is general form. Now in vector form, that is r dot n vector is equal to d. This is general form of the general equation of the equation of plane in vector form, where r is equal to x I cap, y j cap, z k cap, and normal n vector equal to a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap, and d is equal to what? D is equal to what? This is the point here, this is a vector. A vector is equal to what? A vector is equal to, this is the point, that is x1, and a vector equal to what? This is a vector suppose, and this is what? Vector a. Okay, and this is what? Suppose the point is r vector here, and suppose this is any point, suppose a naught vector. Okay, this is a naught vector. A naught vector equal to what? A naught vector is equal to, that is a1, that is x1 I cap, x2 j cap, and a naught is equal to x0 x naught I cap, y naught j cap, z naught k cap. This is the important thing, that is general form of the general equation of plane in vector form. Now some notes regarding general form of the equation of plane. Some notes regarding the general form of the general equation of plane is ax plus by plus ez plus d equal to what? Plus d is equal to 0. Now this can be what? This can be, so divide both side by d. So this is a by d into x plus b by d into what? Y plus c by d into z plus 1 is equal to 0. Here number of arbitrary constant, this is 1 is fixed constant. So number of arbitrary constant is here number of arbitrary constant in the equation of plane is 3. So minimum conditions required to find the equation of plane is 3. So there is, so at least, so minimum requirement, minimum conditions. So there are, so minimum condition is what? The minimum conditions, there are 3 conditions. So it is contains what? 3 arbitrary constants. So number of conditions, minimum conditions to find the equation of plane is what? 3. Number of, therefore number of minimum conditions to find the equation of plane, is 3. Now equation of plane passing through origin, this is note 1. Note 2, equation of plane passing through origin, number of minimum condition is 3. So equation of plane passing through origin is what? Ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0. D absent, constant term absent. So equation of plane xy plane is what? Note 3, equation of xy plane. Note 3, equation of xy plane. Equation of xy plane is what? Note 3, equation of coordinate planes. Coordinate planes, equation of coordinate planes. Number one, that is equation, first bit, equation of xy plane, that is z is equal to 0. Equation of yz plane, that is this is z is equal to 0. Yz plane, that is x is equal to 0. And equation of what? Yz plane, that is xz plane, is xz plane is y is equal to 0. This is equation of the coordinate planes. Okay, now equation of general equation of plane parallel to xy plane. General equation of plane parallel to xy plane. Okay, what is the general equation of plane passing? What is the general equation of plane parallel to xy plane, parallel to yz plane, and parallel to xz plane? My question is what? Equation of plane, general equation of plane parallel to xy plane, parallel to yz plane, parallel to xz plane. It is my question. These are my questions. Equation of what? General equation of plane which is parallel to xy plane, which is parallel to yz plane, which is parallel to xz plane. Okay, think it. What is general equation of plane parallel to xy plane, parallel to yz plane, and parallel? There are 3 bits. Okay, this is my question. Notes: equation of plane passing through the points x naught, y naught, z naught, and parallel to xy plane is what? That is here xy plane means this is xy plane. This is suppose x and this is y, and this is normal is what? This is normal. Z axis is the normal perpendicular to both the planes. That is what? That is 0, 0, 1. So what is here? So DRSR, that is z minus 0 into x minus x naught plus 0 into y minus y naught plus 1 into z minus z naught is equal to 0. So what is here? Z is equal to z naught. Okay. Similarly, equation of plane passing through x naught, y naught, z naught, and parallel to yz plane. Here what? Xy plane means z absent, so z is equal to z naught is what? Yz means x is equal to x naught, and third one is equation of plane passing through x naught, y naught, z naught, and parallel to what? Xz plane is what? Y is equal to y naught, x is equal to here x naught, z equal to z naught. These are the equation of the plane. Okay, now This is the concept of equation of plane, that is one point form, general equation of plane. Okay. Now in next class we will discuss equation of plane passing through 3 points, equation of plane in normal form, equation of plane in intersect form. Okay, and some problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.